All right, it's 1:30 p.m. Quick market update. This is Devang from TFA. So, we discussed when I came at 11:15 a.m. today, when I gave that live market update. That's what I said. I said find W's in the market and see what happened in Bank Nifty. Now try to understand what really played in so that next time when it happens, you should know what to do. We had a good panic in the market and then we got a first pullback right over here. Markets gave a pullback. Always first pullbacks get sold into. I said find a W. As soon as the 34,700 level breaks, you get bullish in the market. And you can see immediately you must have got a great amount of money, 200 points within a matter of a minute or something. Now, that is what I was talking about. You can't go short unless until the lower end is broken. I specified on Telegram also 34,550, 34,700 is a no trade zone. Whichever side it breaks, you trade. If you break the lower side, then W is not going to work. You're going to get some lower momentum. But if the upside is broken, you can get aggressive buying. So hopefully you made some good money on that. Let me know on in the comment section below. Do like this video if you enjoyed the analysis so that I can give you every single day some trade ideas when I come live in the market during market hours. Same case happened with Nifty. I said 15,740. I hope you remember this level. I said 15,740. As soon as this level is broken, you become aggressively bullish. If you're breaking the downside of 15,000, I think 660 or something, you become short in the market. But you can see again how this W worked out. This is always something that happens when the markets show panic. Either they will give a follow through on the bottom side or they break out on the upside. Another great idea that I floated was Nifty PSU Bank. That was one idea which we made money even before this move happened. You can see how Nifty PSU Bank, I had shared this chart on Telegram. Panic selling happened. Sorry. You got a good panic selling in the market. First pullback, again, markets get sold into. And as soon as this broke out, you can see from 24.30, you touched 24.60. A good 30 points, 1.1% movement happened on Nifty PSU Bank. So I hope you enjoyed this idea. Let me know in the comments if you did. Same with the ICICI Bank example. You can see markets came down, took a support, went up, came back down, took a support at the bottom, again went back up. As soon as the highs are broken, you get a great momentum on the upside. So overall, I think we're still comfortable, right? If you remember some days back, I've told you very, very clearly, 15,600 is a zone. If you go below that, some kind of bend in the structure is going to be there. But otherwise, I don't think we should worry right now. We might go short at higher levels, but right now, I don't think the risk reward for shorting the market is favorable. As I said, let's move with the flow. Nifty is strong. Bank Nifty a little bit weaker than Nifty. So I booked my positions right before this move happened. I booked considerable amount of profits. You're aware on Telegram what we have been doing. Same with Bank Nifty. I would say still you are getting some intraday profits, but overall still the structure is giving you lower highs. So right now you can't become aggressive bullish in the market for a longer term perspective. I've already told you in the Friday's video, as long as this range is being maintained in the chart on closing basis, you can't become aggressive buyer, aggressive seller. Let the range play out. Let the market show you what they want to do and then enter the trade. That's one suggestion I can give you. You must have made some intraday profits, but always keep on protecting your profits. If you're not sure about what to do in the coming days, do not take any BTST trades. Every single day, some intraday momentum happens. We'll try to catch that, right? Catch small money. A bird in hand is worth two in a bush. Remember that. And pharma is something that I think is coming in focus. Pharma is still is very truncated right now. Nothing, no big movement seeing in pharma. But I think pharma in the coming days could be, if banking starts to underperform, pharma is one company which can, is one sector which can start to perform. It's already given a breakout on the daily chart. It's also given a breakout on the weekly chart. Some kind of consolidation is being witnessed. I would say it's a good buy and dip opportunity on pharma that we're seeing right now. That's about it for now, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.